What up, guys? KJ here, giving you an update on what I'm seeing in the market. Obviously, we've been super bullish. I don't just do these videos for my health. I try to time them to put you guys in a good position, so I hope you enjoy it. If you want me to do more of these videos, just give me the likes, subscribe, whatever. Like, if I feel like I'm just yelling into the void and nobody's paying attention, then I just won't do it. But if you guys help me out a little bit, I will keep these videos coming. I'm probably going to do them anyway because I like it, and doing it on the phone is super easy for me. But okay, let's get right into it. Also, if you want to trade these, check out my referral link. It's on Bybit in the description. I would be so honored if you use that. Nobody uses my referral link. I totally missed the boat on that. But if you've been following me for a while and made you some money, I would be very thankful if you use that. But yeah, let's get into the charts. Okay, so let's start with Big Daddy BTC. If you were paying attention in the first video I did in a while, which was like maybe 8 or 9 days ago, something like that, I don't know, we were looking for this 200 weekly MA to get tested, rejection on the first pass, and now we're back over it. I'm not going to overthink this too much. This is quite bullish looking. If you look at the daily resolution, yeah, you had your dip. Now we're pushing above the range, and the implications of this, I mean, we've used the 21 as support now. This is the 60-day moving average, and I would expect us to go up there and make some sort of wave. And if you see this little green squiggly, this was my projection. So like the 265 area is where I would be cautious, but I'm not ruling out 28 to 29 either, depending on where this MA lies. That the next one after the 60 would be the 99. So don't look at this squiggly to scale. I do expect there to be a slow bleed going into like Q3, but we will play it by ear. But that's what I'm seeing on BTC. This is looking good, and clearly it's following F. Okay, so let's look at the BTCD adjusted chart with stables. Looking at this, yeah, right into the circle. Being that we took a minus 2.5% yesterday, I was expecting some sort of recoil. Also, if you look at positionally where FBTC was, it made sense. And this is a pretty strong move. But like if you look at it on the hourly, like let's say it just looks like, like a bear market bounce. When you zoom out, this looks like it's going to go lower, in my opinion. So we'll keep an eye on that. But the fact that it's bouncing with Bitcoin making another daily high is a good sign. I don't take that as a bad sign. So I like that. So let's move on to ETH. Okay, so let's look at ETH. Just like if you watched the video last week, ETH clearly very bullish, leading the market. ETH on the BTC pairing is ripping into this area. Now this area is going to be resistance up here, but the thing about it is it's being rejected a bit, and you're seeing BTCD bounce, but that's because Bitcoin is pumping so hard. So that's actually quite bullish. I don't know how high ETH is going to go, but it would certainly appear, being that we've flipped the 60, that the 99 is probably next, and that lies around 1900, and in my experience, it probably doesn't stop there. It'll probably go over 2K. Maybe I like the 22.5 area, somewhere around that for ETH. Let's look at the alts that I was discussing last week. So Ape already over the 60, heading to the 99. I think Ape can even go higher. Like I think Ape is going to go to $10 most likely. And like if you look at Ape on the weekly, like this is starting to do like a really crazy dolly that can go like up into here. So like I wouldn't be surprised to see Ape go over $10. Let's move on to Sol. Sol it's also quite bullish. Next area is around here, 55 to 60. If it gets through that, we're going to 80 to retest the bottom of this range, somewhere around this neckline. Anywhere between $80 and $90. Sol looks pretty good, but the next level is about $55. Phantom, told you about this guy. This is one of the ones that had that nice structure that appeared to be a laggard, and I like looking to see like how big the difference is between the 60 and the 99 MAs. So like this is pushing through it with power. And if you could look at the volume, you're getting a volume breakout as well. I think that we will see that 50-cent target reached. Algo a little slower to move, but also 60 MA breached. We're looking in the 40s. And AVAX was another performer, very strong. We're looking around 35 bucks, if not there, 50. Yeah, somewhere up in 50. I don't think it gets to the 200 MA right just yet. Okay, so all in all, like, yeah, everything looks quite bullish. Stocks as well. And sentiment was still very counter, like it was bearish. People got trapped by the whole Cramer ringing the bell thing, and you could see it. You could see how many people were using that as clickbait, really, and how many idiots were just buying into it and getting caught on the wrong side of a beautiful pump. But that being said, we only spent a month in this range around 20K. So I know some people have higher targets like 40K and whatnot. Me personally, I do not think that we spent enough time accumulating to warrant a pump that large. So like, keep your head about you, don't get wrecked. But in the meantime, like, yeah, stuff looks really good. I will keep you updated. Make sure to smash those likes, subscribe, and yeah, use the ref links, hook it up, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.